रेडियो सिटी 91.1 पर देखिए, जब भी आप कोई बिजनेसमैन से मिलते हैं उनकी ना एक आध इंटरेस्ट होते हैं, लेकिन यहाँ मुझे लगता है कि इंटरेस्ट को भी बिजनेफाई करने वाले एक्लेलो सर, थैंक यू सो मच हमें एक बार फिर से ज्वाइन करने के लिए। लवली टू हैव इन द स्टूडियो एंड टुडे यू गॉट अ जेंटलमैन विद अस दैट पहली बार जब मैंने इनको देखा था, ही इज लाइक अ रियली बिग यूनिट। ऐसे लगते हैं जैसे कि कोई एफबीआई नेवी सील वाले को ऐसे, ही इज अबाउट 6'2", सुपर फिट, एंड ही इज इन द फिटनेस इंडस्ट्री एज वेल, एंड दैट्स व्हाट आई रियली लव अबाउट इट, बिकॉज इनकी कहानी बहुत कमाल की है। नाउ व्हेनेवर यू लुक एट हाउ यू वांट टू हैव योर लाइफस्टाइल, यू पिक अ जिम, यू पिक अ प्लेस, फिर आप जहाँ वहां जाते हो आपको लगता है कि यार यहाँ पे मैं कुछ और कर सकता हूँ क्या, उसके बाद कुछ और करते 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 बोलते कि चलो ये लोग नहीं कर सकते, मैं खुद ही कर लेता हूं। तो करण तलरेजा, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइन करने के लिए। रीसेट जिम्स इज योर्स एज वेल, एंड दिस अमेजिंग पार्टनरशिप विद एग्नेलो एंड करण टुडे इन रेडियो सिटी स्टूडियो। सो वेलकम टू आवर पॉडकास्ट।
Thank you so much, Salil. Looking forward to the conversation and the interaction.
6'2", you're a big unit. Karan, we'll talk with you first.
Definitely.
Were you always into fitness in a large way? Because भारत में ऑलवेज डिस्कशन रही है, सोचते हम बहुत हैं, लेकिन फिटनेस के बाद मैं ये देख रहा होता हूँ, समोसा खा लेंगे, जलेबी खा लेंगे, खाने का बड़ा मन करता है। लोग यहाँ पे खाने के लिए फिटनेस करते हैं, नॉट टू स्टे फिट
Yeah,
बॉडी
people,
वाइज।
people work out just to eat better. Yeah.
हाँ, तो आपने आपने कुछ चेंज नोटिस किया है? कैसे आपने ये चालू किया टू गेट इनटू द फिटनेस लाइन?
So I've been working out for the last, I think, 25 years. Fitness has always been a part of my daily lifestyle because 2 घंटा अगर आप अपने body को दोगे, then it will survive very well for the next 24 hours every single day.
Correct.
So body for me has always been like a temple, and I used to always work out, but very surprising in a beautiful city like Mumbai, we did not have any, really good fitness centers. जहाँ पे the equipments were high standard, the quality of the staff, because even if you have good equipment, the people who train you matter a lot, because you learn from them.
Correct.
They teach you the discipline of a workout, right? So that was very, very much lacking in a city like Mumbai. So being a user, you always want something for you. And since I did not find what I wanted, I kind of decided to create it for myself. And that's where the journey into professional journey into wellness and fitness started for me.
सवाल जवाब करने जरूरी होते हैं। आई डोंट नो सर, आपने भी इतने सारे सवाल किए हैं ऑलवेज, अबाउट व्हाई इज दिस एंड हाउ इज दिस। वाज फिटनेस समथिंग दैट यू आल्सो रियली एंजॉयड बिजनेफाइंग, बिकॉज लोग फिटनेस में काफी घुस जाते हैं बट दे डोंट रियलाइज कि इसका बिजनेस बनाया जा सकता है। वाज दैट विद यू?
जहां पर भी लोगों का इंटरेस्ट जागता है वहां पर एक बिजनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी होती ही है, एंड फिटनेस ऑलवेज वाज क्रिटिकली इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर मी. आई वाज नॉट सीरियस मेनी years of my life. Now for quite some time I have become damn serious, and even I was one of the members at the Reset Gym, the way it was professionally managed and the man behind it. So we became very good friends. And
अच्छा, पहले ये बताइए कितने दिन में ये आपने बिजनेस की बातें शुरू कर दी? मुझे लगता है फर्स्ट डे ही जाके
first day,
That's a wasted it.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
for me the fitness begins with the mind, and the mind is always fit. So all the time it is running on new ideas. So fitness also fitted in that.
Right.
But Reset Gym was a very interesting experience. And then when Karan came up with this concept of Bod Active Gymwear, one of the first people that he spoke to was me. And we had a nice conversation, and I said, lovely, I would be interested, not because of the fitness sector or segment only, that is definitely a area of my interest, but because it is Karan Talreja, because I know how he operates. He's professional, on the job, on the move, very focused, committed, and I could see that in the operations of Reset. So when he started with Bod Active, I said, okay, I'll join in. You reach to a particular scale, and then after that I will come in. So that scale was achieved very quickly, and now we are working together, enjoying the journey of gymwear and athleisure together with Bod Active.
जैसे ही इन्होंने बोला ना, आप पहले कहीं पहुंच जाओ, उसके बाद उसको और बड़ा करने के लिए दैट्स वेयर आई विल कम इन, दैट इज सर्स मॉडल। लेकिन करण, देयर इज अ बिग क्वेश्चन दैट ऑलवेज कम्स इन, बॉड एक्टिव एथलीजर वेयर, ग्रेट नेम, द बॉडी इज एक्टिव, बट व्हाई इज एथलीजर वेयर नॉट सच अ बिग डील इन इंडिया? मैंने ये ऑलवेज ये देखा है, चलो लोगों ने अब कोविड के बाद जिम जाना शुरू कर दिया है, लेकिन अभी भी जिम के लिए जूतों में इन्वेस्ट नहीं करते हैं। आई एम नॉट टॉकिंग अबाउट जेन जी जिनको फैशनेबल महंगी चीजें चाहिए, मैं टॉकिंग अबाउट द नॉर्मल पीपल। आज भी वो बोलेंगे चलो हम लोग नंगे पैरी कर लेंगे या बाटा शूज पहन लेंगे। आज भी जो घर की बनियान होती है उसको पहन के आ जाएंगे, सिर्फ काला कलर पहन के आ जाएंगे। व्हाई डू दे फील कि इसकी जरूरत नहीं है, बॉडी बनानी है ना, शो ऑफ थोड़ी ना करना है? ये क्यों माइंडसेट है भारत का?
So to start off with, I would say कि हर जगह पे ये अवेलेबल नहीं है. So India is a very diverse country. We have big cities like Mumbai, Delhi, and then we have tier 2, tier 1. We have villages, a lot of places, right? So the right gym wear is not even reached everywhere. तो अभी हमारी country में I would say अभी तक 3 to 4% penetration हुआ है gyms का भी और gym wear का भी.
Correct.
But वो अभी बदल रहा है because today people are realizing that उन्हें fit रहना है because you hear about heart attacks at the age of 20 and 30. If you go back to the 1990s, ये case नहीं था. People were fit. The average age that you assume somebody has a disease was 60 plus.
Correct.
Today-
Processed food वो सब नहीं था, तो it was a different world only.
Processed food नहीं था, pollution नहीं था, health consciousness नहीं थी.
और चलना पड़ता था, इतनी सुविधाएं नहीं थी.
Naturally people who are getting fit, but अभी I feel that अभी वो revolution already चालू हो चुका है. Like 20-30 years back, people started moving into from only formal wear to to denims. They used to wear jeans on a weekend. It was something you would wear for a movie. But अब आप देखो तो jeans रोज पहन रहे हैं लोग.
Correct.
Every day you see people are wearing jeans and working. For every purpose they are wearing it, right?
Correct.
The same revolution is now happening from 2021 in active wear. तो आप देखेंगे probably by 2030. 1/3 of the population will be wearing active on a daily basis, and companies will start allowing this for work also.
Wow.
Today, also international brands in US are making clothes. The active wear companies are making clothes which are made in that fabric, which you can wear to work. They're making shirts and trousers which you can wear to work, and people are now accepting it as a normal clothing.
Correct.
You're going on for a festival, music festival जा रहे हो आप, night club जा रहे हो, dinner जा रहे हो. Leggings, like active wear and just a jacket on top is a norm today.
It's considered a norm, but there's another big question. Why are men so ignored, sir? मतलब मैं देखा है औरतों के लिए you have like wow 100 options. आदमियों के लिए कलर के भी ऑप्शन नहीं होते हैं. एक ही टाइप का स्टाइल होता है. A lot of athleisure wear and a lot of clothing in the gyms also because you've got a good body also. तो आपको बॉडी को भी एनहांस करना है. अंदर से आप अच्छे हो रहे हो. यहाँ एक गैप दिखा था आपको कि men are a very neglected market, जबकि 90% लोग जो जिम जाते हैं, जो एटलीस्ट अगर आप 90% टाइम पे देखो वो आदमी होते हैं. सो व्हाई आर दे सच अ नेग्लेक्टेड मार्केट? बिकॉज क्या आदमियों को जरूरत नहीं है फैशनेबल दिखने के लिए? डू यू थिंक दैट्स अ गैप?
No, that is not the gap anymore. Even men are getting great choices, but women definitely have a wide variety. A woman will buy 5 times more quantum than a man can.
ये
So you
confirm है.
cater, ये confirm है. So you will cater to whichever is the larger market, right? The low hanging fruit, and they are fashionable.
जी.
Women are fashionable. They like to look good.
जी.
आदमी तो पहन के चला जाता है, he just needs that flexibility part of it, and 2-3 कलर में उसका काम 4 कलर में काम हो जाता है. But for women, they need a variety, a lot of creativity, design, and suddenly if you have seen that gym wear, athleisure wear has become design wear. Like
Correct.
you are modeling in that outfit kind of a scenario.
तो महंगा भी तो है. इट्स नो लॉन्गर वेरी चीप ऑल ओवर द प्लेस.
All good things come at the right cost. So if you really want to create a fit body, and if you want to use it, use materials which are best for your body in terms of taking in consideration of your skin care. You cannot wear wrong fabrics which will harm your skin.
राइट.
So good fabrics come at a decent cost. महंगे नहीं है. आपके कैजुअल वेयर के प्राइस रेंज में या कभी कभी उससे भी कम रेंज में यू कैन रियली हैव गुड एक्टिव वेयर.
ये माइंडसेट को लेकिन तोड़ने में टाइम लगा होगा ना, दैट आपके नॉर्मल कपड़ों का
Yes.
सेम प्राइस रेंज में एथलीजर वेयर है, बनियान 150 रुपए वाली नहीं होगी.
Absolutely.
सो इसको क्रैक करने में 2-3 हजार रुपए की भी बनियान मिलती है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल, राइट?
yes.
सो वाज दिस डिफिकल्ट टू क्रैक फॉर बोथ ऑफ यू दिस क्वेश्चन?
Well, it was not difficult to crack because we are selling design along with the flexibility, and the durability of an active wear or a gym wear is much better than a casual wear. Secondly, you don't need maintenance for a active wear. You just wash it and wear it. You don't iron it and take special care of stuff like that. And people feel very comfortable wearing a active wear because that gives them flexibility. Secondly, what basically happens is when you're wearing casual wear, you're carrying the clothes. When you're wearing gym wear or when you're wearing athleisure, you're not carrying anything. It's a part of your body. It's like your skin. So you really feel comfortable, and subconsciously your mind is more adaptable to athleisure wear than any other format of wear. So I have realized that I'm wearing a coat. I'm wearing a suit.
Yeah.
But in the same thing in the morning, when I was in the gym today in the morning, I didn't. You don't realize that you're wearing anything, and you will love it. You love it because it is so comforting
Second
to your
skin,
body. It's your second skin. So things are changed, and people are realizing that. So like Karan said, a lot of people are now wearing athleisure wear even on their throughout the day, even on their routine working and work style. A lot of people are adapting to this kind of trend now.
Karan, was there a lot of research जो करनी पड़ी थी to get the right materials, to get the right फिट द राइट टाइप लोगों तक पहुंचने के लिए, और उसमें जैसे लोग बोलते हैं ना, देयर इज अ ह्यूज रिसर्च प्रोसेस दैट गोज इन देयर। यहाँ पे आपके ऑब्वियसली जिम में रिसर्च सब्जेक्ट बहुत सारे हैं, तो इसमें बहुत लंबा टाइम लगा था।
हमें ऑलमोस्ट एक साल लगा when we set up a small lab where we were trying to get the best fabrics from India, from all over the world, and stitch them into garments that fit the Indian body style.
हाँ,
The Indian body type is extremely different from the international body type. The Indian woman has, little bit sometimes cellulite,
yes,
stuff. So the fits are very, very different.
and it should not embarrass the people, they should be very comfortable
Yes.
पहनने के लिए, बहुत जरूरी है।
And also Indian women are very much more conscious about themselves
Correct.
compared to women in the West.
Yes.
So around 8-9 months, we did a lot of research, and we also had a lab which was constantly trying to work out the right product. तो जब हमने एक best product बनाया, we sent it to at least 20 major people who we know are using Indian international brands on a daily basis. उन्होंने try किया, उन्होंने कहा yes, this is better than any international brand. एंड तब जाके हमने बॉड एक्टिव को मार्केट में लाया, बिकॉज वी रियलाइज कि अगर हमें कुछ गेम चेंजर बनना है, वी कैन नॉट डू द लाइक यू सेड बनियान 200 की भी मिलती है।
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल।
एंड बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, टुडे पीपल आर बिकमिंग वेरी फैशन कॉन्शियस। उन्हें सिर्फ कपड़े नहीं पहनने, उन्हें कपड़े पहनने जो स्टैंड आउट करते हैं, उन्हें नोटिस। द होल इंस्टाग्राम रेवोल्यूशन टुडे इज बिकॉज पीपल वांट टू गेट नोटिस्ड, राइट?
बिल्कुल।
तो वो बहुत जरूरी है कि वो आपके कपड़ों में रिफ्लेक्ट हो। सो वी वांटेड द सेम पर्सनैलिटी ऑफ द पीपल टू कम आउट इन देयर क्लोथ्स, and that's where we kind of built Bod Active. And the full form, because we've been talking about Bod, I would just like to add, it means build optimal daily discipline. अगर आप discipline रखते हो life में, तो आप हर चीज achieve कर सकते हो. That is the whole soul behind the brand, and we are enabling people to achieve that discipline as well as look extremely fashionable. Because comfort भी है और fashion भी है, जो आज के लोगों को चाहिए. Even men are moving towards that. It's the metrosexual male that we talk about. Today men are also into fashion. They also want good stuff.
Yeah.
So,
और why not, if you're paying premium for it, why not? आप दोनों से, लेकिन एक बड़ा सवाल, सबसे बड़ा हर्डल क्या था जब आप इसको डेवलप कर रहे थे? और एज अ बिजनेसमैन हु इज यूज्ड टू जस्ट गोइंग आउट देयर एंड बम करके सब बढ़ जाता है, बिगेस्ट हर्डल आपने क्या फेस किया है और क्या फेस कर रहे हो आप टू ट्राई एंड एक्सपैंड दिस ब्रांड, ताकि टियर 2, टियर 3 छोटे छोटे शहरों में भी इसका एकदम प्रचार होने लग जाए? तो both of you, this question.
So we are people with a great and a very powerful ecosystem. Like Karan comes from a very strong background, and the outcome of a product, the quality of a product depends on deep research, a lot of research and a lot of homework. We have access to great resources in our lives. We are blessed to have that. Karan looks into the detailing of the product in absolute minutest of details. So it is not only एक्टिववेयर इज नॉट कि आपने फैब्रिक खरीद लिया, उसको सिला दिया, नए डिजाइन के अंदर वो काम हो गया, बट देयर हैज गॉट टू बी अ लॉट ऑफ डीप थॉट in what the product is, how it should be, how it should look. So we have an in-house design team. They design the latest trends. We are monitoring and mapping every single athleisure brand in the world. Now the mission and vision of Bod Active as a team, what we are intending to do is, how can we spread it towards creating a healthy country? Like India is on the growth path. And in the growth path, your manpower is your capital, right? People are your capital. And you really need to be having them fit. And fitness is exploding in this country. Gyms are opening up. People are becoming conscious. You yourself, right from the time that I've seen you on screen, we are now happy that we keep meeting often.
Yeah.
But I've seen you on screen. You're always a fitness freak. You're always devoted to your body. You consider it as a temple as well.
Yeah.
So now with this trend, we are actually trying to reach into the deepest parts of the country. And that's the reason we are available online, on e-commerce. Like people can actually see what they want to choose, and the designs that we have created are stunning. So we play with designs, and we play with the fabric, and we play with the prints. The uniqueness that Bod Active has created and achieved is absolute fantastic designing product. We play with the prints of the product also. So nobody offers that other than Bod Active. So we take pride in saying that. And now how do we spread to the whole country? So there are multiple models and ways that how we can spread to the different parts of the country. So we have got people who are resellers who buy from us in wholesale, and they operate it on their own in remote parts of the country, 2 tier, 3 tier, 4 tier cities. And mind you, the products are absolutely rightly priced, and people want the access of those products. By online communication, we are reaching to the people, and people who are interested in the product are becoming resellers. There are influencers who are collaborating with us and becoming resellers. There are people who want to start franchises with us, like put up a store. Now the best part about this business model is a 400 square feet of store in a high footfall area can give you a self-employed career to an extent that you cannot imagine for a minuscule amount of investment with a complete backup of the team that we are at Board Active.
Wow.
So when you're an empowered network, when you're an empowered backend, then multiplying the front end becomes easy, and people who want to become entrepreneurs, they can invest into Board Active being a franchisee, open up a small store, 400 square feet in the high footfall area, and the entire support will be extended from our side, like the advertising, the branding, the merchandise, the latest designs, swapping the products which are moving faster, swapping against the products which are slow moving. And the best part about athleisure is, एक एरिया में एक पर्टिकुलर टाइप का क्लोथिंग तेज निकलता है, जिसमें जहां पर वो स्लो मूविंग है वो कहीं पर तो भी फास्ट मूविंग है. सो वी हैव ऑल द एआई टेक बैक एंड विद अस, वेयर वी आर मॉनिटरिंग एवरी मूव दैट्स हैपनिंग इन द इंडस्ट्री रिलेटेड टू आवर प्रोडक्ट, एंड वी फाइन ट्यून आवरसेल्व्स.
I think that's important to be able to have a empirical evidence जिसे बोलते हैं. अगर एक चीज इस हिसाब से चल रही है तो आपको समझ में आता है कि भाई ये यहाँ पे परफेक्ट है लेकिन कहीं वहां पे इम्परफेक्ट हो सकता है. लेकिन फॉरेन ब्रांड्स इतने सारे भारत में अब आ गए, एवरीथिंग इज ओपनड अप. मतलब यू लुक एट एनी फॉरेन परफॉर्मर ऑल्सो कमिंग टू इंडिया, इंडिया इज अ हेवन फॉर देम क्योंकि पब्लिक बहुत है. वहां से लोग कंपेयर करते हैं. वाज दैट अ बिग कंपटीशन हर्डल फॉर यू कि बड़े बड़े नंबर्स हैं, बड़े बड़े नाम हैं, मुझे एज एन इंडिजिनस ब्रांड काफी फाइट करनी पड़ी?
ऑफ कोर्स. सो काफ़ी बड़े इंटरनेशनल ब्रांड्स इंडिया में आ रहे हैं बिकॉज उन्हें पता है यहाँ का पोटेंशियल.
करेक्ट.
इंडिया इज़ अ वेरी वास्ट कंट्री, तो दे आर ट्राइंग टू गेट इनटू इंडिया एंड कैप्चर द मार्केट. बट मोस्ट ऑफ दीज ब्रांड्स आर नॉट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इन इंडिया, सो दे आर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग इंटरनेशनली. उनके जो प्रोडक्ट्स हैं वो परफेक्टली इंडियन बॉडी टाइप को फिट नहीं होंगे. देर इज अ बिग डिफरेंस बिटवीन अ यूरोपियन वुमेन एंड अमेरिकन वुमेन एंड इंडियन वुमेन. करेक्ट. अभी ये ब्रांड्स इंडिया में सेटअप नहीं मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कर रहे हैं, तो इसीलिए उनके फिट्स जो होंगे वो इंडियन बॉडी टाइप को वैसे नहीं करेंगे जैसे हमारे फिट्स हैं.
राइट.
सो दैट इज अ गेम चेंजर फॉर अस.
एक्चुअली इवन विद कार्स डिड दिस. पहले यहाँ पे सस्पेंशन जो गाड़ियां आई थी बहुत नीचे थी, फिर उनको रियलाइज हुआ यहाँ तो स्पीड ब्रेकर्स इतने ज्यादा है, तो उनको थोड़ा ऊपर करना पड़ा था. ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम इट हैपेंड.
सो इसीलिए वी हैव द हाईएस्ट रिपीट कस्टमर. यू नो, एक बार आप हमारा माल खरीद लेंगे, यू ट्राई वन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ आवर्स, यू सी इट फिट्स यू वेरी वेरी वेल. फिर आप यू नो योर ब्रांड women are very they want fashionable stuff. They're not as brand conscious. They want good looking stuff.
Right.
Product मुझ पे अच्छा लगना चाहिए. I should look very good and it should fit very good to me. So women understand that very fast and they're open to try multiple options. So इसीलिए once you try it, then you become a loyalist. So that is our the first sale. अरे यार नाइकी है, ये Reebok है, Under Armour है. Sometimes the customer is confused, but after the first product, they try it and they see the fit. They say this is made for me. You know.
Wow.
So that is where the
I think the resale part is very very important also. You were mentioning about the franchising models and also. I mean, can we talk numbers?
We can.
Let's talk about numbers. अगर किसी को ये बनना है, बहुत सारे लोग हमें सुन रहे हैं. देखिए इन्फ्लुएंसर का तो अलग अलग रहता है, राइट? ईच इन्फ्लुएंसर हैव हिज ओन बिट. और किसी को अगर एक फ्रेंचाइजी सेलर बनना है, व्हाट आर काइंड ऑफ नंबर्स? आपने 400 स्क्वायर फीट की दुकान तो बोल दी, चलो ठीक है, उसमें रेंटल आएगा. कहीं भी आप एवरेज चले हो 1 लाख रुपए करीबन रेंटल है, 80,000 to 1 lakh. But what's the kind of numbers that are required and what is the kind of ROI वो एक्सपेक्ट कर सकते हैं, कब तक?
Simple. You just need approximately 30 to 35 lakhs to put up a store.
जी.
The store का decor as per our brand guidelines will not exceed more than 18 to 20 lakhs.
जी.
12 से 15 लाख रुपए पर आपको स्टॉक रखता है, इन्वेंट्री लगती है. You will be able to.
And that is rolling inventory.
It is rolling inventory, and we will give a extraordinary support to the inventory.
Okay.
Replacing, refilling, all of that is all automated. So we are on time all the time and just in time.
जी.
So that advantage would be there. This 35 lakhs would be recovered by the business within the first 12 months. We will participate in selecting the location. We will train the franchisee. Now to run one outlet, you don't need more than 2 people at any given point of time.
Oh, wow.
2 is also good number. You can do it with 1 person also.
जी.
So a lot of youngsters who want to become self-employed, who doesn't want to call somebody sir and want to be their own boss. This is a phenomenal business. The best part about this business is the world is educating the Indian audience about the importance of athleisure wear.
Correct.
We love competition. जब तक आदमी तीखा नहीं चखता ना, उसको मीठे का वैल्यू नहीं समझ में आता.
Correct.
So we love competition. We beat them in price, we beat them in quality, we beat them in style, we beat them in design. And that's how we do it. So the best part about entrepreneurship is you can actually bring the best elements together. Like for example, and collaborating and working together is also a success formula. Like for me, Karan is a great partner to have. Bod Active is a great brand to have. The factory that we run is a great factory to have, with the kind of latest machinery that we use, with designers, with the best artisans who are very well trained and stuff like that. Now, all this engine becomes the support mechanism to a franchisee. The success of the franchisee depends on the strength of the principal. And over there, we are a robust organization, on the job all the time, online, available all the time. So 35 लाख रुपया 40 लाख रुपए के इन्वेस्टमेंट में अगर आपका कैपिटल रिटर्न 12 महीने में आता है, आई एम अ वेंचर कैपिटल, आई इन्वेस्ट इन सो मेनी बिजनेसेस. Any business on planet Earth, if it can give your capital return back in the first 12 months, is the only business you should look at doing.
Correct.
And the ticket size is too small. 35-40 लाख रुपया
एक्चुअली
is doable.
इट्स नॉट 35-40 बिकॉज उसमें स्टॉक भी तो है.
स्टॉक भी आ गया.
आपका 18 भी जैसे आपने बोला वो वन
That
टाइम
is your cash flow.
हाँ,
Your actually 20 लाख रुपए का investment.
एब्सोल्युटली
बाकी तो तुम्हारा 15 लाख 18 लाख का कैश फ्लो है.
करेक्ट.
And the support that we give to our franchises is the advertising. The advertising spend is ours. The franchisee is not going to fund it. It is going to be the franchisee arrangement is such that there are no hidden costs. Complete training is given by us as a company. The stock is given to at an X price, period. Advertising, marketing, brand building, designing, new designs, new stock, new inventory, logistics coordination, everything is going to be done by us, which means we will be spending on ads and the people are having high chances of they going to the store, checking it out and buying it from the store. So that becomes phenomenal support from the company. Plus, we will choose the location in such a way that the natural and the gradual footfall is good enough for sales which can take care of the operating costs plus good profits which will make the capital go back home.
नाइस.
So that's the typical franchisee model that we have in place. And 400 square feet is a decent space to be managed by 1 or 2 people.
बिल्कुल.
It's not a big pressure.
What's the kind of division between walk-in sales now and online जो आजकल चल रहा है? Because I'm sure दुनिया भर में काफी लोग देख रहे होंगे. ये आपके एनालिटिक्स क्या बताते हैं अगर कोई रीसेलर भी सुन रहा है?
So it's a hybrid model. So if you are very powerful and strong on e-commerce, the footfall at the stores multiply. A lot of people in our country still want to have the look and touch feel. Okay, so if they do that, fantastic. In the e-commerce space, what we have witnessed is because Karan is so hands-on that we exactly know who's buying, when, where, and why. And the new learning, Salil, is when you like a particular fit, there are people, 70% of people buy everything that's available in that fitting.
Correct.
So if there are 8 designs,
आप सब कलर डील हो गए.
if there are 8 designs, they buy all 8. You're like that, I am like that, Karan would be like that. A lot of people are like that. So it becomes a great advantage. In the store, when it is visually appealing, and our designs are very visually appealing, with our creatives in place, the store people will walk in and definitely buy. So we say that for a franchisee store, 65 to 70% will be walk-in sales.
Wow.
And 30% will be supported through online. And for e-commerce that we are doing with influencers and resellers, 100% of the sale happens through e-commerce because people love the design. They buy to test it once. They buy only one pair. Our retention rate is the highest in any possible industry for e-commerce because of the quality of the product. And Karan and team is completely responsible for that.
Is there a lot of competition? Is there a lot of competition in India for Indian products?
So in India, there are not too many players. So the competition is not strong, which is a weak point. The competition has to be very strong because competition creates a market and then you can leverage the market. We love competition. The mindset that we are as entrepreneurs, whether it is me or Karan, we love competition because competition educates the market and the best player wins. It is survival of the fittest.
Correct.
अगर हमारा stock ज़्यादा नहीं बिका, that means we have to learn, unlearn, relearn and reposition ourselves. So it's a mirror shown to us every day by the competition on where we are lacking. So we take it as a learning platform and we utilize it as our strength so that customers realize the difference of the betterness that we can provide to them through our products and choose us.
Nice.
In fact, अगर किसी को दुकान खोलनी है, स्टोर खोलना है, they just have to open in a mall where there are 3-4 active brands, international ones. अपने आप sales बढ़ जाएंगी.
अच्छी बात नहीं खोलो.
बस लोग यही बोलते हैं अगर आपको खाने की दुकान खोलनी है उसके दूसरे खाने की दुकान के बाजू में खोलो आपको बेटर मिलेगा. इधर खाने आएगा तो दूसरा भी खा लेगा.
Absolutely.
How can they reach out to you guys if they want to, for various ways, whether it's want to be an influencer who's utilizing your stuff or to be a reseller? How can they do that?
Social media. You DM us.
Okay.
We are having a very proactive team in place. They will reach out to you instantly and start coordinating, start educating, start giving information, showcasing products and stuff like that, and we can get onboarded immediately. Our turnaround time is pretty quick.
Okay.
And everything is visible. So there is nothing hanky-panky, there is nothing hidden, there is nothing that can be misunderstood or less understood.
Transparency is the name of the game, and in social media, you got to keep it transparent.
Absolutely. So influencers, resellers, stores, there are so many people who have got stores with sports goods and stuff like that who are also now becoming athleisure display units.
Bilkul. I think this is the future.
So they can collaborate.
If you look at projections on a parting note, what are the kind of numbers that you are looking at from the athleisure industry? मतलब आपने किया होगा, देखा
The
होगा.
current sales in India is around 15 billion US dollars. 15 billion US dollars current sales. By 2033, the sales are going to be more than double. So we are looking at around 35 to 40 billion dollars. The new segment that is going to be coming up in athleisure is sustainable clothing in the athleisure wear. So it is recycled and sustainable and stuff like that. The current market for that in India, the current market for that in India is around $3.1 billion, and that's supposed to be growing 5 times in the next 8 years. 5 times.
Wow.
Because today the customer is getting more aware and he is a big chooser. He wants to choose of being a sustainable contributing citizen. So this is the accelerated model. This is the franchisee model, Salil.
1, 2, 3.
So this is the franchisee model,
Right.
Salil. But we are also a business accelerator, and we want to do that in the athleisure space also. Like we have got a very effective and a very impactful factory with us. Now we want to empower youngsters to get more creative, and anybody who wants to become an entrepreneur in the athleisure wear business and they want to establish their own brand,
Right.
then at a fraction of an investment, we can become their partners and we can create a fresh brand the way they want. And we can extend all our infrastructure to create a new brand. So this
This
the
is
accelerated
apart
program.
from Bod Active.
This is apart from Bod Active. So it can be a brand that somebody wants to start with a fresh name.
Right.
And we have got everything mapped. The social media team,
Wow.
the styling team, the production team, the fabric imports, the factory in place, the logistics in place, all our delivery partners in place. So all of that can happen. Lot of celebrities these days are coming into entrepreneurship.
Yes.
Lot of celebrities are wanting this kind of support. So
And they all have fit bodies,
And yeah,
all fit.
absolutely,
Yeah.
absolutely. They all have fit bodies. They always want to be in public. They do a lot of gymming themselves.
Yes.
They don't have to act this time.
Yes.
This time they have to show themselves really, and that becomes a business model as well.
And a lot of them are smart businessmen.
Yes,
I mean, I'm looking at it.
absolutely.
They want
Absolutely.
सबको ROI चाहिए.
Now there
Absolutely.
are a lot of people who have 50 million, 70 million followers.
Yeah.
They would love to start businesses of their own. But the major worry or the showstopper for them is the back end. ये बनाएगा कौन, shipping कौन करेगा, ये कौन करेगा.
मैं तो सिर्फ फेस बन सकता हूँ या बन सकती हूँ.
और ये सिर्फ एक्टिविटीज के हिसाब से बात नहीं कर रहा हूं मैं सपोर्ट के बारे में. आपकी कैपिटल रिक्वायरमेंट जीरो हो जाती है ना. इट्स ओनली स्टॉक इन ट्रेड दैट यू हैव टू इन्वेस्ट इन विद अस एंड वी विल स्टार्ट द ब्रांड टुगेदर. It can be any new brand. So just imagine, instead of having a capital of 5-10 crores that you need, it can start in a few lakhs. You can directly get into a new brand altogether.
Wow.
Where we can collectively create the branding and the valuation of it. So it is not that Bod Active is our only mission. Our mission is a fit country, a fit body, a fit population. That's our mission. And how we can implement it in multiple possible ways is what we are intending to do with all the experience and exposure and knowledge that we have gathered by the virtue of doing business in various sectors, especially with Karan, with his gym background, with me, with my multiple businesses background, e-commerce related activities and stuff like that. It is all coming together, and as an accelerator functionality, we will partner with people who want to start creating their own brands and create new brands for them and work with them as partners.
हेल्थ एंड फिटनेस, लाइफस्टाइल, बायो हैकिंग, ये सारे शब्द जो हैं ये आगे बढ़ते जा रहे हैं. लेकिन इसके साथ में अच्छा दिखना भी तो हमारे अंदर है. आप पार्टी में जाओगे, पार्टी जाना अलग बात है. अच्छे दिखोगे नहीं, अच्छे कपड़े नहीं पहनोगे तो पार्टी कैसे जाओगे? सो आई थिंक दिस इंटायर रेवोल्यूशन इज ग्रेट. भारत में ये आ चुका है एंड यू गाइज आर टेकिंग इट फॉरवर्ड. बॉड एक्टिव इट इज. जाओ, BODD, दैट्स द होल थिंग. बॉड एक्टिव, DM and start your journey.